you're watching VDTV Bharat. I'm Angela. Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, also known as the Pink City because of the pink being the building's color, is one of the most popular tourist destinations to visit in India. The city is known for its scenic forts and that are located at higher altitudes of the city, and the view of the city can be enjoyed from there. Many beautiful palaces can also be seen in the city with a lot of heritage. The city is also known for its food, music and folk dance. If you are planning to visit Jaipur, here are some places for you to visit. Amer Fort and Palace, one of the top tourist attractions of Jaipur. The huge Amer Palace Fort sits atop a small hill and is located at a distance of about 11 kilometers from the main city. The magnificent Amer Fort is an extensive palace complex that has been built with pale yellow and pink sandstone and white marble. The fort is divided into 4 sections that are graced with their courtyards. There are a lot of attractions for one to see at Amer Fort, including the Diwan-e-Am, Sach Mandir and Sheesh Mahal. The essence of Amer Fort is encapsulated by a beautiful light and sound show within the fort, where visitors get to see an astounding spectacle about the history of the fort. Nahargarh Fort is one such magnificent fort situated in Aravalli mountain ranges in Jaipur. Nahargarh means abode of tigers and was named so after tigers which were believed to have roamed around the hills. The imposing Nahargarh Fort has been built in an Indo-European style of architecture and is decked up with scalloped archways, dome ceilings and sprawling gardens. Within the fort lies the famous Nahargarh Biological Park and Zoo that gives tourists a sneak peek into the wilderness of the regions like Asiatic lions and Bengal tigers. You should visit the fort in the evening when you can get a great view of the city with lights on. Hawa Mahal, the renowned palace of winds, is one of the prominent tourist attractions in Jaipur. This beautiful 5-story palace is in the form of a honeycomb structure. This unique building has 953 small windows called jharukas, decorated with intricate lattice work. The entire palace represents the crown of Hindu god Lord Krishna. Hawa Mahal, which is a quintessence of Rajput architecture, stands high in the heart of the city of Jaipur as a prominent attraction. Jal Mahal. The Jal Mahal means the water palace. The palace stands in the middle of the Mansagar Lake in Jaipur. It is designed in a classic Rajput manner with pink sandstone and a symmetrical style. Jal Mahal is a 5-story building of which 4 stories remain underwater when the lake is filled. The specifically designed lime motor prevents water seepage into the palace. The location of Jal Mahal is an indigenous home to some of the migrant birds, several species of fish and rich flora and fauna. The clear water of the lake and the scenic Aravalli mountain range offers a splendid view of Jal Mahal. Jantar Mantar. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh constructed 5 calculating instruments to study space, which were known as Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar consists of 14 geometric devices that measure time, predicts eclipses, tracks location of stars and the Earth's movement around the sun. Samrat Yantra is the largest sundial in the world. The Jantar Mantar has been declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO and now serves as one of the major tourist places and a pioneering source to amateur astronomy students. Gaitaur Ki Chhatriyan. Near Garh Ganesh temple, there are spectacular structures that are known as Gaitaur Ki Chhatriyan. Surrounded by green hills, the Gaitaur Ki Chhatriyan is a complex of temples and tombs in the foothills of Nahargarh Fort. It was the royal crematorium for the rulers of Rajasthan. These cenotaphs are engraved with beautiful Rajasthani carvings and are one of the major attractions of the place. This is the best place for people who are camera crazy and history lovers. City Palace. City Palace is the most remarkable monument to visit in Jaipur. Guarded by huge impounding walls, this palace is a fusion of Rajput and Mughal architecture. The palace is embossed with fine artworks and engravings. Every corner of this palace is filled with immemorial imprints from the past. A portion of this palace has been converted into a museum. This beautiful palace represents the rich culture and a perfect blend of Rajputana with Mughal and European style of architecture. And the palace gives you the privilege to peek into the stories of the past. That's all for now. We will meet you soon with few more places for you to visit in Jaipur.